Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Zebronics Wi-Fi adapter. This can be for ZEB USB150 and 300WF. First, before installing the drivers, you need to disable your Windows Defender. Go on your Windows icon, type in Windows Defender, click on it. Once this opens, go where it says turn Windows Defender firewall on and off. Then here, make sure you turn it off before installing the drivers. After you turn it off, turn it on after you've installed them. So just go on your browser, then type in Zebronics. Go on the first link. Once this opens, you need to go under support. Then here it says driver downloads. This way you can search and install the drivers that you want. For an example, the 150. There it is. So you can choose between MediaTek or Realtek. Just download and install the package and you're done.